Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This is Mr. Magoo the cat, and he might be a little broken. He was born with his tongue sticking out and doesn't have the ability to pull it back in. Other than that, he's perfectly happy and healthy. People love to cross the street and sometimes do so without looking at all. This organization made a course to see which cars had the best and worst systems to avoid pedestrians. They tested 11 small SUVs and 4 of them received perfect scores.
The Mitsubishi Outlander only received a basic rating, and the BMW X1 earned no credit because it either didn't brake or had minimal speed reduction in all the scenarios.
Wiggle butt.
In case you didn't know, Saturn is losing its rings, so in about 150 million years, Saturn will look like this. This 80-year-old man had his bike stolen, so these police officers gave him a brand new one.
Sit on there and see if that fits you.
Okay. Okay. Is this a new one here? Or?
Brand spanking new.
Oh.
All right?
Thanks for everything.
You're welcome.
No problem, sir.
You're welcome.
So the
You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt yourself, monster. Hi. In case you didn't know, some stingrays love getting their tail cleaned by smaller fish. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.